It's always a pleasure to be here at a wonderful venue for Forever Mark. And of course, we're here with the OM Jewelers to launch their beautiful festive collection. I've seen the pieces. There are 300 gorgeous pieces. You know, I think everyone will really treasure to have.
Yes.
And whether it's for Ganpati right up to Diwali, you know, you'll find something special for somebody or the other.
And I have to tell you this, Charisma, you are looking breathtakingly stunning, especially on those sparkling diamonds. They are looking even more gorgeous on you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so now I'll quickly ask you a few questions. Now, all of us know everybody likes shopping, but everybody loves diamond shopping. So when you go diamond shopping, what is it that you look for?
Well, I think every lady, everyone should go to an authentic dealer, obviously. And like Forever Mark diamonds, I think they should be rare, beautiful, and responsibly sourced and natural.
Yes.
I think that's very important.
And so when we say diamonds, is there one specific memory that sparks in your head when I say the word diamond?
Well, I think every lady will agree a diamond will become a best friend. Every girl, every woman aspires to own a beautiful diamond piece. And like Forever Mark, you know, how do you know that it's authentic? Is that at the base of the diamond, they have a unique inscription. So I think that's very special with Forever Mark diamonds. And you always know that this has been responsibly sourced and is a true natural beauty.
Okay, so now let's go about it. And we thought of playing a little rapid fire with you.
Oh my God.
You know the drill already. I will say a word and you have to quickly tell the thing that comes in your head and respond without taking even a second. Are you ready for it? Are you up for it?
Yes.
Let's do this. Okay, the very first one is beautiful.
Diamonds.
Okay. Diamonds.
Forever Mark.
Perfect. Love.
Jewelry.
Okay. Natural.
I think women. All women are natural women.
Jewelry.
You asked me jewelry. You didn't ask me jewelry. Okay, I think family heirlooms.
Oh, that's a good one. Rare.
Forever Mark.
Trust.
In yourself.
Yes.
Most
Genuine.
important. Believe in yourself, trust in yourself.
Genuine.
Genuine. Forever Mark.
Okay. And promise.
I think a promise is when you get a beautiful diamond from someone special. Right?
Perfect. And so seemingly, it was so easy for you to answer the questions. Let's give her a huge round of applause for beautiful rapid fire round. And now, since you have come to celebrate this association of Forever Mark and OM Jewelers, what do you have to say about this beautiful association?
Well, I think it's a wonderful association of like-minded people. I think it's a wonderful collaboration. Like I've heard, you know, OM Jewelers has been in Borivali for the last 80 years, and this is a store that has been here for 20 years, and we're celebrating their 20th year along with their association with Forever Mark. So I just like to wish them all the very best in their future endeavors, and of course for the launch of this festive collection.
I'm sure that's going to happen. That's going to continue for a long, long time.
And I hope I'm getting a lovely gift to go back. Right? Hint.
Charisma, you know, I hope that too. Okay, since you've already explored the collection, what is that one thing that you like the most, that strike the most from the collection?
Well, I think, of course, the unique designs and the beautiful natural rare diamonds. And I think they're very affordably priced. I think that's what's really nice, that they have been made to be very affordable, where, you know, we can buy something for ourselves or a relative or a family. So that's really good.
It's easy for everyone to buy
pick
that.
something.
And then, why do you think a customer should buy a Forever Mark?
Well, like I've said so many times, the most important thing is that they are, apart from being beautiful, but they are natural, they're rare, they're very responsibly sourced stones. I think that's what a customer requires and wants, that you know, they have something that a lot of research has gone behind in picking them. And of course then the unique number that's on your stone, which is so precious and only yours. So definitely.
And my last question to you, Karizma, since you have so many fans across the globe, what is that one advice you would like to give them when they go for diamond shopping in this festive season?
अभी मैं और क्या करूँ? Come to Forever Mark and come to Om Jewelers this season to buy something.
Thank you so much for your candid responses. We'll do a quick photo op with the
चलो भैया रोलिंग अप प्लीज रोल कर
videographers, we are rolling.
Madam, Karishma ma'am, first of all, you look very pretty.
Thank you so much.
Like to say about the new collection launched by Forever Mark.
Well, I think Forever Mark के जो diamonds हैं, not only are they beautiful और rare, वो बहुत ही responsibly sourced किया जाता है और बहुत ही natural है, and that's what's important. और हम लोग यहाँ हैं उनका जो collaboration with Om Jewelers के लिए, उनका festive collection के लिए. So I've seen the collection and I think it's beautiful and stunning.
How much do you love the jewelry?
हर लेडी को ज्वेलरी पसंद है. We cannot deny that. And I think diamond is a girl's best friend. So definitely, I think like everyone, even I love jewelry.
And you know, आज भी
I think it's very delicate and very pretty. And I think that's what I love about it. It has Forever Mark diamonds in it, and it's extremely intricate. And I don't like to wear heavy pieces. I think delicate things look more pretty, and this is what it is.
Diamond you just see as a jewelry, as a piece of an accessory, or it's like a kind of investment?
No, I think definitely a diamond, and especially जब वो Forever Mark का diamond होता है, तो it has a special inscription underneath. तो आपको पता है उनका authenticity क्या है, कहाँ से आया है, कितने responsibility से source किया गया है. So I think that's really unique and special, and I think every lady should own a beautiful diamond.
Home Jewelers also like last so many years, like they have a trusted thing like
हाँ जी.
and they're very renowned in Bolivia and
तो I just want to wish Om Jewelers and Forever Mark का ये जो collaboration है festive season के लिए, I think right straight from अभी गणपति से लेके दिवाली तक I think shopping कीजिए और आप सबको कुछ ना कुछ बहुत beautiful मिलेगा. Thank you so much.
आपने कोई ऐसा कोई piece of jewelry जो आपने पहले पैसे से लिया हो वो जो याद
Well,
festival
I think more apart from जो मेरे मम्मी ने दिया, जो उन्होंने अपने शादी पे पहना था, I think these are the kind of treasures that you really cherish, which you pass on from generation to generation.
Okay, Karishma, we are going to soon debut in a web series. So would you like to say about something about that?
Next time.
What have you to say about the festive collection? What has been launched?
So this year what we have launched in the festive collection is a collection which everyone can wear, right from lightweight jewelry to necklaces to chandeliers to cocktail rings. So this collection you can wear right from pujas to Diwali parties or events. So that's what we have got. You can we have got about 300 pieces ready currently for this festive season.
This specifically, this piece was chosen for Karizma ji. What was something very special about it?
This piece, each and every piece of this necklace is of Forever Mark. What we have done is designed this very delicately, and each and every diamond can be seen individually.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you.